Okay, we're taking the tree down today. Some tools we're using. Chain, winch, strap, axe eye. Lean's over next door, so we need to sort that. The idea being we're gonna cut here, attach a rope here, attach it to that cherry tree, hopefully stopping it from falling that way and encouraging it to come this way. On?
Yeah, we're on.
I'm going to put a wedge in the tree, cut a wedge in, and then put a slice down the back, put some wedges in. Will's going to ratchet it here, and we'll have the tree down in 10 minutes.
Ah, shit.
Thing is, the wedge is in. Obviously the tree leans that way. I'm thinking of cutting a slice in the back and then wedging it. But if we cut the slice in the back, it may automatically come this way without wedging it. But we'll see what happens. Okay.
Right.
Go.
Going the other way then.
See if it's slacking up all of a sudden.
Yeah. I was like,
No, that was because you were past.
yeah, I didn't think.
Good.
I'm gonna go through here. Right.
Now, just for instruction, here's your wedge out there. So you chop that out and you cut them into, so all that's left is 2 inches of tree. and hopefully by this point you've winched it over past vertical by the time that snaps. Will testify to this, but the strap all went sort of loose, so we knew it was definitely coming towards him.
Well, I didn't know, I didn't think, but you know.
2 hours down, processed.